Greetings to another video. Today's video is going to be a crit race on Zwift. I got dropped very early on, so I've shortened it down a lot. But one of the main things that I'm doing in winter when I'm not out riding is indoor in my pain cave on Zwift. And I think Zwift races are one of my favourite things to do because it just gets so much more out of you. You put so much more effort in because you are racing, and I do love Zwift racing. So you can see now, I'm just dropped from the off. I should have been putting way more power down, and I didn't. I was like, oh, they'll slow down, and they didn't. And I think that's one thing that I've learned with, I guess, racing and Zwift in general. At the start, everyone always just goes crazy, and then it eases off. But I got dropped, and I let them go. I was like, no, it'll be fine. And then I was like, oh, there'll be people around me. We'll form a group. That didn't happen, and that's why I've condensed this video down into a shorter video, because I don't think you really want to watch 20 minutes of me riding around the course on my own, just chatting nonsense to you. I mean, I do that on most of my other videos when I'm outside riding on my own, but yeah. So this is the crit course. This was new. I think it was maybe a month ago or so. I can't remember how long ago it was, but I really like this course. It's flat. I really enjoy it. I much prefer riding it when there's other people around me, but I should have just done it. I should have just gone for it. But if you've got any tips for me for this course, or just for Zwift racing in general, leave them in the comments. I'm sure you'll help me and other people out as well. But what I would say, if you are new to Zwift or new to, turbo training and stuff, please sign up for a race, because they are so much fun. Also, you can see now this other chap. I'm so grateful this chap was there, because I saw him in the distance and then I caught him up, because on the right hand side of the screen under the video of me, you can see all the numbers and stuff of people, so you can see how far away they are, how many seconds they are ahead or behind. And so I'd seen him in the distance. I was like, right, I want to catch him up. And this is why I think Zwift racing is so good, because you just push so much harder than you would if you're on your own, because you're like, no, I'm not going to let them go. And that's what had happened with this guy. Like, if I'd been on my own, I wouldn't have been pushing as hard at this rate, at this stage in the race. There's only like 0.6 kilometers to go, but I was like, he is not getting past me. He is not getting past me. It is, honestly, let me know if you've tried Zwift racing. I'm actually going to try and maybe put a race on. I'm still chatting about that, but would you want to see a race? Actually, probably a women's race, to be honest. But like, this is a mixed grade as well. Like, generally, I will ride in women's, and I'll also ride the mixed ones as well. But this is 2 hours in, and I'm like, no, he's not he's not getting past me. So I was so competitive. And I was like, no, I'm getting there first. But it hurt. It really, really hurt. Never push that hard on your own. It's because there's someone else to compete against. And also, I raised my FDP indoor one by 1 watt. And so now I'm going to go on to Zwift Power, because this is a really good way of looking at all your kind of stats and stuff from Zwift. It's not run by Zwift, it's a third party. It is free, you just sign up to it, and you can you set up your own like profile and stuff. And then it's got all the racing stuff that you've done. So I thought I'd just go on and show you a couple of the stats and stuff on there, because I think a few of you are quite interested in the stats. So yeah, it was a 16k loop. I think I came I don't know, quite low down. What am I there? 11th in B category. However, my overall thing for 23 minutes was 4.2 watts per kilo, which means that I should have been in the A group, because A group is 4 watts per kilo and above, I think. But I mean, to me, it doesn't actually really matter where I rank. I mean, unless you're first and stuff, obviously it's really good to win. But for me, it is just like having that epic workout that you would never do on your own. you have that like competitive edge. And yes, I thought I'd just show you the stats. So 20-minute power was, what was it, 4.2 watts per kilo. I weigh 66 kilos. And then they're like the 10-minute, 5-minute and 1-minute powers. So it is good to look at like what efforts that you've done on there and what like your best ones are. So if you are on Zwift and you're not on Zwift Power, maybe go and have a quick look, check it out. But yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed seeing me suffer on a Zwift race. Let me know if you would be interested in me putting on an actual race, and I will see you next video.